Assalamu alaikum to everyone.
Walaikum salam.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent and Merciful, I bear witness there is no God but Allah, Muhammad is his messenger. He gives me great honor and pride to be a part of this special day for Sister Arlene and Brother Lacarnis as we solemnize their intention to get married. It is at this point that we make a disclaimer that when you leave this building today, you will not actually be married. You would have begun the journey to actually be married. Because to be married means to be united as one. That is a journey, and I believe it will be a journey of love, and there will be some adventure, and there will be ups, there will be downs, there will be storms, there will be sunshine. But, Brother Lacarnis, a good sailor does not show how good of a sailor he is when the sea is calm. A good sailor demonstrates how good a sailor he is when the storms come. And so as the captain of the ship, you have to go through some rough terrain sometimes, but I believe that you will be successful because after talking to both of you, I believe you have the main ingredient that is needed, and that is love. And so, beloved, I'm going to read 2 scriptures, and then we're going to go into the vows. Let me say this, that of all the institutions that we have, educational, political, the institution of marriage is the most sacred. And it is actually the first institution that was set up by the Creator himself, which means that marriage was God's ideal. And it also means that if you want to be successful in something he set up, you have to keep him number one. The earth, as it revolves around the sun, sometimes it dips in toward the sun, sometimes it dips out. And when it gets far away from the sun, it gets colder. As it dips in toward the sun, it gets warmer, and this is what gives us our seasons. So in your marriage, you're going to go through some seasons. The sun going to be shining one day, and then in a few minutes, you're going to see some stormy clouds. Sometimes the fall is going to come. The winter's going to come. But if you can make it through the winter, you can make it into spring and back into summer. And what determines